In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Asana. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to get to work. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Asana Login. This is a simple way to get to the correct page without memorizing URLs. In the search results, look for the official Asana site. It should clearly show the Asana brand and the asana.com domain. Clicking the official result helps you avoid phishing pages and keeps your account secure. If you plan to use Asana often, consider bookmarking the login page so you can return to it quickly next time. Once you're on the Asana website, find and click Login. On most screens, you'll see this in the upper right corner. If you're viewing on a smaller device, it may appear within a menu icon, so expand the menu if needed. Selecting Login will take you straight to Asana's sign-in options. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This is the fastest option if your Asana account is connected to a Google address and it keeps your sign-in streamlined. If you prefer, you can also enter your email and password manually using the standard fields on the same page. Just make sure you use the email associated with your Asana workspace so everything connects properly. If your browser blocks pop-ups, consider allowing them for this step so the Google sign-in window can appear without issues. You'll now see Google's account chooser. Click on your email to proceed. If you have multiple Google accounts, pick the one that matches your Asana login to avoid being redirected to the wrong workspace. Depending on your settings, you may be asked to verify your identity or confirm that you want to continue. Follow the secure prompts to complete authentication. If you're asked to grant Asana access to your basic profile and email, review the information and confirm to continue. After a brief moment, you'll be redirected back to Asana. That's it. You should now land on your Asana home screen, where you can access your tasks, projects, and recent activity. If you plan to return frequently, staying signed in on a trusted device can save time, and bookmarking the page will make your next visit even smoother. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any part as you practice the flow. With these steps, logging into Asana is quick, secure, and hassle-free, so you can focus on what matters most, getting your work done.